If you are in the market for a gaming headset, then you should definitely check out the Fifine H9 Ampligame gaming headset. It has a 7.1 virtual surround sound feature, lightweight and comfortable earmuffs, and a detachable microphone. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin lahat ng features and syempre yung real-world experience ko with the Fifine H9 gaming headset. Before we begin, I'd like to thank Fifine for sending me this unit. And if you love watching tech news, tutorials, and unboxing videos like this one, consider subscribing. Kasi nag-upload ako ng mga exciting and informative videos regularly. So, eto yung box ng H9 headset natin. And meron nga pala tayong 3 available colors: black, white, and pink. Dito sa harap ng box, may image ng H9 headset natin. Pero yung actual color niya is indicated by this sticker. Inside, we have this very detailed user guide, another box that contains our detachable microphone, and the inline control switch that we can use to connect to our PC or laptop. Nandito yung dedicated button natin to activate the 7.1 surround sound feature. Finally, we have our Fifine H9 Ampligame headset. Unahin natin pag-usapan yung design and build quality. Yung quality ng materials na ginamit is similar with other expensive brands. Kaya sulit na sa price niya na 2,100 pesos. Maganda yung stitching sa top part ng headband. The foam is soft enough pero lumalaban pa rin pag pinipisil mo. Braided nylon yung cable niya, which makes it very durable. Hindi yan magkakabuhol-buhol at kahit hatak-hatakin mo, hindi rin basta-basta mapuputol. The earmuffs look comfy and soft. Sweat resistant din siya. Kaya madaling punasan at isanitize after each use. If you want to use the mic, all you have to do is plug it here. This is a condenser mic. Kaya mas buo yung boses natin because it has a wider dynamic range. To better understand what I mean, let me record this using this mic. By the way, bukod sa solid yung sound quality nito, sobrang komportable din niya. Hindi masyadong malaki yung cup size niya. And malambot din yung cushion. Decent din yung level ng noise cancellation. This only weigh 260 grams, which gives it a huge advantage over other gaming headsets. Kasi yung iba, sobrang bulky or sobrang bigat naman. Kaya nagiging uncomfortable na siya pagka matagal mo nang ginagamit. So kung magla-livestream kayo using this headset, ito yung audio quality na maririnig ng viewers nyo. Now let's play some games to check the latency and pati na rin yung audio quality. Unahin natin tong PUBG. And ginamit ko tong Huawei Y90 to make use of its 3.5mm port. Mas makikita nyo talaga yung capabilities nitong headset when playing FPS games. Kasi matter dito yung spatial awareness, gunfire location, and footsteps. Kung fan ka ng FPS games, alam mo na you'll have a better gaming experience if you are using headphones compared to just using your phone's speaker. Mas nagiging immersive yung experience ko when I use this headset kasi mababa yung latency niya. Kaya halos walang sound discrepancy in-game. Ngayon naman, let us connect this with the inline control switch para matry naman natin yung effect niya pag PC game na yung nilaro natin. We will be playing Left 4 Dead 2 on Steam. And sa part na to, hindi ko pa ina-activate yung 7.1 surround sound feature. So, halos same lang naman yung naging experience ko when I was playing PUBG kanina. Sound was clear and very minimal din yung distortions na naririnig ko. Very convenient din siyang gamitin. Kasi by attaching the control switch, magkakaroon ka ng volume controls dito para mai-adjust mo yung intensity without needing to minimize the game window. To activate the 7.1 surround sound feature, we just need to click on this button and instantly, mapapansin nyo yung improvement sa sound quality. Mas nagiging defined yung sound at mas lumalawak din yung dynamic range. With the help of the 7.1 surround sound, mas magi-improve yung spatial awareness mo to correctly identify the source of the sound, which is important with these types of games. Kagaya ngayon na nasa loob tayo ng building. After spending some time with the Fifine H9 headset, I can definitely say na na-improve niya yung gaming experience ko. Lalo na with the use of the 7.1 surround sound feature. However, there are some minor things that I hope they can improve on. Mas okay sana kung mas maayos yung adjustment slider dito sa side ng headband. Kasi wala siyang proper locking system. Medyo hassle kasi yung pagpantayin yung dalawang side ng headphones. Another thing is, wala din siyang app support. Hindi naman siya big deal sa akin. Kasi usually, inilalagay ko lang naman sa default settings yung mga headphones ko. Pero you'd be disappointed, especially if you want the option to customize your audio settings. So that concludes our review of the Fifine H9 headset. If you want to get a pair of these, you can check them out on AliExpress and Shopee. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link ng mga shop nila dun sa description box. If you have questions and suggestions for our next video, just leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to reply. So that's it. See you in the next one.